Found a DPR file in a legacy Windows application codebase? This is the main project file for a Delphi Pascal application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, compile, and work with these Delphi project files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling DPR files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. DPR files are project files for Embarcadero Delphi, the Object Pascal, rapid application development environment for Windows. They contain the main program source code, unit file, references, compiler directives, resource inclusions, and application initialization code that defines the entry point and structure of a Delphi application. Delphi DPR project files use plain text, Object Pascal source code format, beginning with the program keyword, followed by uses clauses listing unit dependencies and a begin-end block containing the application, initialization, and run commands. The format includes compiler directive comments and resource file references. The core association for the DPR file points directly to Embarcadero Delphi, developed by Embarcadero Technologies. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows allows previewing, but meaningful behavior depends on the appropriate runtime. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your DPR file and select Open With. If Embarcadero Delphi is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focus tests on these common DPR failure areas. First, opening in Delphi IDE. Open the DPR file in Embarcadero RAD Studio or Delphi IDE using File, then open Project. The IDE loads the complete project with all referenced units forms and resources in the Project Manager panel. Double-click unit files to view source code and form files to open the Visual Form Designer for UI editing. Next, ratting project source. Open the DPR file in any text editor to read the main program source code. The Object Pascal text reveals the application structure including unit dependencies, initialization sequence, and resource references. Review the uses clause to identify all unit files that make up the application's complete codebase. Finally, building the application. In the Delphi IDE, compile the project using Project then Build or press Ctrl+F9. The compiler processes all referenced units and generates a Windows executable. Use Run then Run or press F9 to compile and launch the application in debug mode. Review the Messages panel for any compilation errors or warnings requiring correction. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.